everyone, my name is Adriana, and for today's video, I'll be talking about tips when attending a concert based on my opinion and experiences, so that when you wake up the next day, you won't be feeling too miserable. So first up, apparels. So apparel means what you'll be wearing on that day. So I would like to start from the bottom, which is our shoes. So a common mistake I usually see when people attend concerts are not wearing the right shoes. Mainly girls, because they will be coming wearing high heels, platforms, and chunky boots. And I know you're trying to look nice on that special day and you're trying to take nice pictures for your social media, but in the end, it's not worth it because you're going to wake up with such swollen feet and you're not going to be able to walk the next day. So I recommend wearing comfortable shoes and breathable, basically practical shoes. So when I go to concerts, I usually wear like my Converse, Vans, maybe Skechers, anything that's comfortable for you, that you know that you're going to stand the whole day and it's comfortable for your feet. Bonus tip, wear covered shoes. My sister and I went to a concert, sat under the hot sun even though we were shaded by the tree, went back home, woke up the next day, and guess what? She woke up with freckles on her feet. So if you're fine having freckles on your feet, go ahead and wear non-covered shoes, but I highly recommend wearing covered shoes. Next up, clothes. So the first thing that pops out in our heads when heading to a concert is comfort. We all should be wearing comfortably so that we are able to enjoy and absorb the concert to its fullest capacity. And I get it that you're trying to look all pretty and dashing for your pictures, but in the end, it's not going to be worth it, because with this beautiful heat given to us in Malaysia, trust me, you're going to be sweating buckets. I recommend bringing a cap, a hat, or maybe a bucket hat for when you're waiting outside the venue, so you prevent that harsh sun directly onto your face. Speaking of faces, do not forget to wear your sunscreen and bring it with you, because you will definitely need reapplying from all the sweat and white. Now, let's head over to the necessities to put in your bag when heading to the venue. I usually bring a small sling bag or a crossbody bag to put all my stuff in. You don't need a big bag, it's just gonna be such a hassle and it's just gonna be a big chunk of annoyance to you when the concert is happening. One word, tissue. This is definitely a must, because you're gonna need it to wipe your sweat, or maybe when you need to go to the toilet, or maybe someone needs it. And I'm not talking about those small packets of tissues, I'm talking about those thicker packets of tissues, and this is going to come in super duper handy. Now that we have our dry tissues all packed in our bag, we're definitely going to need wet ones. These guys are such lifesavers. You can use it to help wipe your face or your body when you're feeling icky and it's getting extra hot, but I personally bring wet tissues to concerts because when your only choice for a toilet are those portable toilets, and usually in these toilets they don't have a bidet for you to wash after you're done with your duty. So these guys come in super duper handy and it's gonna save your life. And I actually pack a pocket-sized perfume, because after sweating the whole day, I would spritz on my perfume and to freshen me up. I also prioritize bringing hand sanitizer because we don't know where things have been and what people have touched, so that's a big yes. And I also usually pack an extra face mask because Corona is still mingling around and we don't want to catch that. I don't highly recommend bringing your own water bottle and umbrella, because before heading into the venue, they would usually confiscate your bottle and umbrella. But recently, a few concerts have done this thing where they take your umbrella and assign a number to your umbrella and will give you the same number to you, so that after the concert, you can come back and collect your umbrella. But there's a very high risk of you not getting it back, because a lot of people will take your belongings and you won't be able to find them. So it's just going to be such a hassle. So definitely bring your own disposable raincoat just in case it rains. And please, this is such an important thing, please stay hydrated, because it's going to get really hot and sometimes it could rain and it's going to become hot again. So we don't want you to get dizzy and dehydrated. And you guys, heat stroke is a thing. So drink lots of water, okay? Because prevention is better than cure. that is all for today's video. I hope you guys can take these tips that I have given to you and use it in the future for any concerts that you're gonna attend. And please stay safe when going to concerts. Don't forget to hydrate yourself and always be alert. Thank you. Bye bye.